Hey, what is up guys, it's you the tech guy here, and today I'm gonna show you how to connect your AirPods with your iPad. So first, what you have to do is open the cap of your AirPods and press this button back. Once it's on discovery mode, we're gonna go to settings, we're gonna go to Bluetooth, just right here, and we're gonna toggle the switch on, and then we're gonna wait for this. Okay, and there you can see, let me just, there you can see AirPods and connect. The AirPods are now connected, and you can see in my case I have 90% and in here I have 100%. So that is how you can connect your AirPods with your iPad, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and please do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me out. And if you have any other questions, just comment down below, and peace.